Hello everybody and welcome to today's assembly. Now the first thing I want to talk about is attendance in lessons. Overall, the year group missed 121 opportunities for learning by a total of 65 students. You need to attend your live lessons. You're missing out on vital information. Think back to our very first assembly, the very first time I spoke to you all. I spoke about foundations. These times we are still putting the foundations in your learning. It is vital that you stay on your lessons and attend every single live lesson that's been scheduled. Now, that being said, if you do have IT issues, get in touch. You're not going to get into trouble for missing lessons if you can't get onto the internet to engage with them. We are here to help. Okay, so some of you are probably really enjoying working from home, and for some of you others, it probably isn't as easy. So what I want to do today and what I want to talk about today is giving you some top tips to stay focused, well rested, to ensure you get the best experience possible. Okay, so the first bit is staying hydrated. Now, believe it or not, your body is made up of approximately 55 to 65% water. And when your body needs water, because you've not had a drink, it will begin to affect your concentration levels. Now, lots of scientists have done lots and lots of research that indicates students remember more and stay focused longer when they are hydrated. Studies have found that drinking water can improve brain function by 15%. And this is because the brain has no way to store water. So it's important to continually drink water throughout the day. Stay hydrated, guys. If you need a drink, go and get a drink. Stick to water, stick to dilute pop. Okay, stick to sugar-free things, keep yourself hydrated. Not only is it healthy for your brain, it's also healthy for your body, it's healthy for your digestive system, it provides shock absorbers for all your joints. It's really vital. Now, some of you may well have set yourself up at home as if you are at school. So you've got a little workstation, you might be sat on your dining room table on a chair. I'm in the hall right now. You might well be able to see that behind me. And I'm sat at one of the tables that you guys eat your lunch at. Try to set myself up as I would do in my class. But some of you might have taken the opportunity to have a few home comforts while you're doing your learning. So you might be in your bedroom, sat on your bed, nice and comfortable. You might be on your nice, comfortable settee. Either way, being in the same position in a slumped posture isn't good for your health. So what I'm going to recommend you do is that in between lessons, so break time, lunch time, use the time to have a bit of a stretch and loosen up all of your muscles. So there's a couple of exercises you can do. Just stretch your arms, you can raise your arms, bend your back forward, straighten your back up. Nice, easy exercises that you can do in the comfort of your own home. You haven't got to go out anywhere. You can do them in the back garden, you can do them in your bedroom. Another one, even while you sat down, you can sit, you can turn your body around just to stretch your torso and loosen up all the acid and lactic acid that's been building up in your muscles when you've been sat in the same position. Another of my favourite exercises is to really lean back, stretch my back off, and again loosen up all the muscles in my back. And it comes from just being in the same position for long, prolonged periods of time. So have a go at them just to help you make you feel a bit better. Loosen yourself up, stay relaxed and stay focused. Now, my next top tip for you is to take a screen break. Computers, phones, and laptops are designed to keep your attention. They've got a different kind of light coming off the screen, and prolonged use is very, very tiring. So, when your teachers talk to you about taking a break, even if it's in between lessons, at school, you're not looking at a screen all day, and at school, you walk around every 50 minutes between classrooms. At home, you perhaps might not be doing this. So it's really important that when you take a break, come away from your screen. Even if it's at the end of one lesson and you get the 5 minutes to get yourself set up for your next, get yourself set up and walk away from your screen for a couple of minutes. It's really important that you do it. At the end of your school day, please don't be on your screen all day doing your lessons and then decide I'm going to go on the computer, because it's the same kind of thing. It's really important you take a break from the screen to recharge your brain and recharge your learning and help you concentrate and focus. Now, the vital, most important thing that I want you to do is communicate with your teachers. The tools we rely on aren't there anymore. Okay, so sometimes if you're struggling on a subject, we can tell by looking at your face and we can deal with it. So if you're having problems with your IT, you need to tell us and we can help. If you're not sure what you're doing in your lesson, Tell us. Send an email if you're not confident putting anything in the chat page. Send an email to your teacher to say, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. If you're struggling with the work or accessing the work, more importantly, make sure you tell us. Again, you can send an email if you don't want to put anything in the kind of chat room. Now, there will be a survey coming out to you soon, which can detail all of your preferences, thoughts, etc. It's coming out hopefully in the next week or so, and you'll be able to tell us what device you prefer to work on, what devices you've got available to work on, etc. And this is designed to help you get the best learning possible. Okay, so as I've said, communication is the absolutely most important thing that you can do with your teachers. Talk to your teachers, talk to your parents and carers if you need to. If you're having problems with the internet and you can't email, phone. There's still people at school, we can still get back to you via telephone and we can deal with it that way. Okay? So, I hope you all stay safe. I hope you all try your best in your lessons, as I know you all will do, and make sure you get some exercise. It makes you feel better. Make sure you stretch. Make sure you take a screen break when you get that chance. Okay, guys? Nice to speak to you all, and hopefully I will see you all soon. Thank you.